Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Here we have shown it here in a number line. You see here we have shown it in a number line. You see this is the number line. Right, this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8 and step 9. Right, you see in the first jump he goes from step 1 to step 4. Right, in the second jump he goes from step 4 to step 2. Right, the third jump he goes from step 2 to step 5. In the fourth jump he goes from step 5 to step 3. In the fifth jump he goes from step 3 to step 6. In the sixth jump he goes from step 6 to step 4. In the seventh jump he goes from step 4 to step 7. In the eighth jump he goes from step 7 to step 5. Right? In the ninth jump he goes from 5 to step 8. The 10th jump he goes from step 8 to step 6, and in the step 6 and in the 11th jump he goes from step 6 to step 9. That is in the 11th jump he goes to the water level. Right, let us see here how we are finding this one. In the first jump he goes from 1 2 3, that is fourth step. 1 2 3, that is 1 plus 3, fourth step. The second jump he goes 4th minus 2, that is second step. Third jump he goes from 2 plus 3, fifth step. In fourth jump he goes 5 minus 2, that is third step. In fifth jump he goes 3 plus 3, that is sixth step. In sixth jump he goes 6 minus 2, that is fourth step. And in seventh jump he goes from 4 plus 3, 7 steps. Eighth jump 7 minus 2, that is fifth step. In ninth jump he goes from 5 plus 3, that is 8 steps. In 10th jump he goes 8 minus 2, that is 6 steps. And in 11th jump he goes 6 plus 3, 9th step. Then he will reach 9th steps in 11 jumps. Right, the question is in how many jumps will he reach the water level? He will reach the water level in 9 steps in 11 jumps. That means he will reach the water level in 11 jumps. Right, that is the answer. Right, here we are written that he jumped. In how many jumps will he reach? He will reach the water level. He will reach the water level in 11 jumps. In 11th jumps. That is our answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.